to Light Buiding exhibition here in Frankfurt. We are on the Legrand stand, and if you didn't have the opportunity to come and visit us, it will be a pleasure for us to make a guided tour of the Legrand stand. First of all, we are going to introduce you our Executive Vice President Export, Frédéric Zéry.
Light Buiding is the most important exhibition in Europe and probably one of the most important in the world. Legrand is very happy to be able to participate to this exhibition because during 1 week we will meet customers coming from all over the world who will take time to discover the new products, the new solution we are bringing to the market. This year on the show we are presenting our new solution for power distribution, but also in lighting management and home automation. And I'm sure that customers coming from all over the world will be pleased to discover during this week all these solutions that we are promoting under different brands. Legrand for sure, but also Cablophile, Zucchini or Betticino.
Now Dieter Reimert, Director of the German and Austrian subsidiaries.
Among all the international customers that are present on the trade fair, a lot of German and Austrian customers will visit us on our stand. A lot of wholesalers, installers, planners and architects will visit us, and we have the chance to show other products, and we could demonstrate our competence during this trade fair. We are not only show product on this trade fair, that is the first time that Legrand show solutions, that we are offered systems. That is one of the key message, and we will bring more value added to our customer. So that is an absolutely must, then the customer expect that their strategic partner is present on this trade fair.
In this fair we have 3 main sections: power and distribution. We also have lighting management with guest room management, and the last one, home automation. Let's start first with the power and distribution section.
I'm very proud to present you a solution of Legrand in terms of protection and distribution. It's a unique solution, very complete and also certified. Unique solution because it's the first time that we present in the same assembly all the product of protection devices distribution and also UPS and capacitor banks, so energy compensation. So that is the first time we are able to put that in the same assembly. So we have worked all the distribution in order to make the connection as smooth as possible. It's a complete solution because we present here a cast resin transformer with bus bar, with all the protection devices, ACB, MCCB, ACBs and so on. We have energy management solution with standalone product or integrated measure in our product. Everything is connected to a web server, even with our electrical vehicle charging station. We have all the distribution product with a different way of distribution of electricity, increased safety distribution, optimized distribution. And we present also, of course, a solution for secure electricity, like UPS, modular UPS here, and also automatic transfer switch of ACB, MCCB, and MCB. We present everything here. So as you can see, we have a lot of product, a lot of solution, and all these products are all certified in the same assembly with the standard. We don't present only product, we have also services. So for the services we have different software like XL Pro Calcul to design the electrical installation, XL Pro Panel to design and to quote all this kind of assembly of cabinet. And also we are able to provide technical service for assistance and maintenance in the installation.
The second section is dedicated to lighting management and guest room management.
I'm Jean-Baptiste Berry, in charge of marketing for lighting management in Legrand Group, and we are happy this year to introduce our new KNX commands. We are having those commands available in the 5 main ranges for Legrand, which are Arteor, Celian, Living Light, Absolute and Mosaic. Those new commands are a great opportunity for Legrand to bring more comfort to our customers and to be in touch with the different functions we can get in the buildings. So that means we are able to control with those KNX devices the lighting, the shutters, the HVAC, and all the functions we can get in the building. So we are targeting the offices building and the hotel application as well. Some interesting function that we are providing thanks to KNX is the possibility of block some commands upon some specific scenario. Like for example, if I want to block and to prevent some people to access to a command, I can lock it depending on a scenario. What is interesting as well, we are having different LED colors in 12 different colors, and this is a good way to design and to imagine all the possibilities of the feedbacks we can provide to our customer with those LEDs. So on our commands, we are also launching new KNX sensors for controlling the presence and the movement inside the buildings, depending on the space, corridors, offices, open space. We are providing our customer a supervision software which is able to control all the different applications in the buildings. That means it's easy to monitor for people who supervise the buildings, and of course you can monitor your energy consumption, and the main point is really important. We are having an open solution to the different standards and protocols we can find in the buildings. We are introducing new solutions for hotel room management this year, and we are proud to introduce you our new room control unit. This is a room control unit for hotel application. That means we are able to manage the different functions in the room, like the lighting circuits, of course, but the shutters, the sockets, and we are also able to manage the different scenario and comfort solution we need to provide for the hotel solution. So, for example, we are able to provide the function Do Not Disturb. We are having a feedback on the corridor so that the people doesn't want to disturb in the room. It's the same also for the makeup room. It's a really interesting possibilities for hotel, as they have to be more efficient in operating the buildings. For example, from the reception, I can send an alert to my customer to warn him from something. With this room control unit, we are able to manage the different functions in the room. We are able to dim the daily lightings. What is interesting also for us is the control of LEDs on the devices. We are able to provide different level and feedback of the status of the function to our devices. And this is interesting also to bring more comfort to the customer.
Last part with Antonio Passerotto is responsible for home automation systems.
So we start from my left with the home automation for luxury spaces, where in fact we show the top of the offer of the Legrand Group that is based on the Vantage system. Vantage is an American specialist of home automation that provided to system integrators an open integration platform in order to satisfy totally the customer needs, in order to customize projects by projects. So through the Vantage system it's possible to, of course, install the Vantage devices, so the end user interfaces and in particular the lighting control. But the value added is that Vantage provides an open database of driver to integrate system of 30 parties. of course, third parties, so like audio-video system, air conditioning system, TV, in order to really customize projects by projects. Of course, it's possible to integrate Vantage with the other specialists of the Legrand Group, like Nuvo, that is an American specialist of audio system, and of course with the core business of the Legrand Group, so the luxury wiring devices ranges like Exolute, Arteor, and Celian. My home represents, in fact, a home automation system that supports the main standard functions that are present usually in a standard home, like the door entry system, lighting control, temperature control, automation, and security. Everything integrated in a unique home automation system provided by the Legrand Group. Of course, compliant with the wiring devices ranges of the group. So it's possible for an end user to control its home from the door entry unit at the entrance of the home, control totally the home automation function, and for our customers, electrician, they are able, with a minimum of training, be able to propose a home automation system in their projects to their customers, and for above all for builders that need really an affordable, simple and repeatable solution, they can really provide in several flats or single family home really a modern electric equipment instead of the traditional one. We can propose improvement of comfort, maybe replacing traditional switches with Zigbee switches in order to create like scenes inside, not forcefully in the full home, or maybe just in a room like a living room, in order to create scenes for a party, for watching TV, for relaxing. Or maybe there's a customer that are totally interested to other topic, like for example energy saving. There's a green people, let me say, that are interested in know what they are consumping at home. So we provide solution to keep under control the consumption. Or the last, but it's just the last example, solution for improve the entertainment at home. So for example, distribute music, different music in each room. So these are just example of simple, let me say, standalone solution that we can propose one by one to improve the daily life of our customer, always connected, because home automation today must be connected in order to be controlled by smartphone, tablet, locally, and also from remote.
We are at the end of this guided tours. Thank you for your attention, and let's stay connected to the top of innovation with Legrand on our website www.legrand.com. Please follow us on Twitter at Legrand_news, or discover our latest productions on Pinterest, and rendezvous in 2016.